How to share or follow a Yelp collection. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Here, click on the location icon and search for the collection you want to share or follow. Then you'll find different options. Simply click on one of it. If you scroll down, you'll find follow option. Click on it. And to share, you can click on share in here. After you click on share, it will lead you to this page. Here, you can share on Facebook or X easily, or you can copy the link, or you can write your name at the bottom, email, and to whom you want to send. You can add note and then press on share. After you do this, it will be shared directly through email. This is how to share or follow a Yelp collection. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.